Okay, I'm about to paint this new door and wing for this little Fiat 500. We've got basically a new door, a new wing, we're going to blend it, and a new seal panel I should say, and we're going to blend into the back wing, we're going to blend into the bonnet and into the bumper. We're also going to blend into the other wing. The reason why I've done that is because we've got quite a lot of chips on the bumper, so I fixed the chips on the bumper, so we're just going to, for the sake of it, blend into the other wing. So I've just cleaned everything up, panel wiped, degreased, and I've noticed that we've got a small chip on the blend panel, which is going to look awful if I spray over. So what I'm going to do is just show you how I fix just a little chip like this. So obviously I'm ready to paint, I want to get on with it, but you know, I can't let that go. So I'm going to fix this with UV products. So I'm going to show you how we do it. So this is what I'm going to use. Hopefully you can see it. It's a Collad product. UV putty transparent. Put a little dot on the end of a touch-up stick. I'll just put some on the chip. Leave it a second to soak in. Just enough time to put my stuff away. I use a DeVille Trisk infrared light, UV light I should say. Put that on there for a few seconds. That's bone dry. I've got some 3M Wet and Dry 800. It's a straight colour, so we could go a little bit coarser than normal. Good old-fashioned wet flatting. Right, literally as simple as that. 2 seconds. And we'll come back once it's sprayed and have a look at it. There we go. Absolutely no trace of any chip whatsoever. How long did that take? 2 seconds? Anyway, let's cook it and rebuild it.